Hello, this is your Take It to the Top coach, Cherise Taylor with Tailored for Success. The other banner of Tailored for You Enterprises is Turn a New Leaf, Counseling, Coaching, and Conflict Resolution. So I wanted to talk about things that are a little bit more personal in nature, specifically about relationships between spouses or significant others. And one thing that I hear clients say time and time again is that I feel like after 3 years, 5 years, whatever the amount of time, that my significant other just doesn't know me. You know, they don't know the little things that make me tick. They don't know the little things that annoy me, or they do know the things that annoy me and they do them, or they don't know the little things that please me. And so I want to encourage you to communicate. Communicate about anything and everything openly and honestly, because that is where growth comes in a relationship. Trust me, it is the truth. And so, how does your significant other like to come home? Do they like to come home and get a rundown of your day as soon as they step foot in the door? Do they like to come home and, take off their shoes, put their bags down, and kind of have some moments of solitude before the kids come running and we talk about dinner and all of that? So just all of those little nuances of your existence together, of your relationship together. Communicate and talk about those things. It goes a long, long way in building joy and trust and happiness into the relationship. So do talk about what I call the little nuances of your existence together. Communication is essential, and I know that you've heard that many, many times before, but it's something that we still, even though we know, we tend to neglect. So I encourage you this week to take some time out, talk to your spouse, talk to your significant other, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever you call them, and find out what makes them tick. Talk about the little things. Until next time, this is your coach, Cherise Taylor, and the best is yet to come. Bye-bye.